Today I'm here with the new MV Triton and one of the new faces of Outback Armour, Stella. And we're going to show you our newest offering for this vehicle. Now Stella, you drove this vehicle, but how did it feel stock?
So stock, I definitely noticed it was really bouncy over speed bumps, really floaty around corners. Yeah, it felt like a boat really. So yeah, keen to see if that's changed at all. And also you felt the potholes for sure. So I'll be keeping an eye out for that.
Stella hasn't been in an Outback Armour upgraded vehicle yet. Let's go.
So yeah, this is more the kind of driving I'd be used to start with anyway, just on regular roads, to and from work, whatever, you know, trying to avoid potholes. I only probably visit the beach probably like twice a year. And hopefully that changes now. I work at Outback Armour. I reckon I'll be doing a few more trips now.
Stella, that's your first time driving an Outback Armour vehicle. What did you think?
That was great. It was like very clear difference. I wasn't sure if it would just be like little like minute differences, but it was clear. Like it wasn't boaty anymore. It soaked up the bumps more than I even thought it would, and yeah, I didn't feel any potholes, so it was crazy difference.
Would you be happy with this drive?
Yeah, for sure, like big difference, yeah, 100%.
Outback Armour suspension upgrades now available for the MV Triton. Use the postcode search feature on our website to find your closest dealer. It's an easy process. Give them a call, book in. Special thanks to Tristan from Onyx Lights for allowing us to use his vehicle to film. We're the trusted suspension choice for thousands of Australians, armed forces across the globe, and professional adventurers alike. Never go alone when you go with Outback Armour.